Today I'm going to be reviewing Anbte folding grill table. They just sent this to me, so thank you for sending me this to review. Aluminum camping table with adjustable height, max 27.5 inches. Let's open this up and check it out. I'm really excited. All right, just open the bag. This is what it looks like. This is the size of my hand, not very big, but this unfolds. I'm going to set it up and let's take a look. So here is the table. It is very light, and it's mesh, so you can hear it, but it's going to hold. Now, it's not, if I put my weight on this, it will break. But it will hold a grill very easily. I've seen these before. I've seen them plastic. I really like it. You saw how it was just a cube. And inside, you can even see there's little clips here for the bars to sit in. So these legs down here, you can either put in one or both to get the height that you've got there. And then once it's together, you got these little clips here, and then it all collapses up into that little square. I mean, genius. You know, I have an RV. I'm going to be using it for this. It's so small. When it's compact and put in that bag, this is absolutely going to be a game changer for me. So I think if you're looking for a table like this for your RV or outside, something that can handle a grill, this will definitely do it. So I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.